Welcome to a journey where we'll explore a new way of thinking about the universe, one that goes beyond traditional science and taps into a broader understanding. Imagine a universe not just as we see it, but as it truly exists, made of energy, frequencies, and forces that connect everything. In this video, I'll take you through my theory, one that merges science and faith and reveals the potential for something greater. The universe is not just made of the visible stars, planets, and galaxies that we can observe. It's built from three fundamental types of energy within particles: positive, negative, and neutral energy. Matter is created by particles with positive energy. Antimatter is made from particles with negative energy. When antimatter meets matter, the two energies combine and cancel each other out, often resulting in neutral energy. Lastly, there's dark matter, which I believe to be neutral energy itself. Dark matter isn't just empty space, it's an active force, possibly the invisible structure of the universe. Pause 3s. From our limited perspective in the 3D world, we can only see objects as solid and tangible. But from God's perspective, which exists in ultimate dimensions beyond our understanding, the universe is nothing but energy in motion. In this higher state of understanding, God sees not individual objects, but the constant flow and interaction of energy between particles and forces. It's like looking beyond the surface to see the true essence of creation. At the core of how the universe functions are two principles: frequency and what I call the G-force. Frequency is the rate at which objects vibrate or move. This movement is so fast that depending on our 3D perspective, we may see something appear larger or smaller based on the frequency at which it operates. It's like looking at a spinning fan. When it moves quickly, the blades almost disappear, but when it slows down, they become visible again. Then there's the G-force, a kind of gravitational pull, but not quite the same as the gravity we understand in the 3D world. Think of it as the force that holds everything together. Imagine that every object, every particle, has a G-force, and it's the interaction of these forces that dictates how objects relate to each other. God has placed many examples in the world around us to help us understand these principles. Take a tornado, for instance. Inside a tornado, wind moves at incredible speeds, forming a powerful force that can destroy everything in its path. But the way we see the tornado is also affected by the speed or frequency of the wind inside it. This gives us an example of how frequency and G-force work together. What we see on the surface is influenced by these unseen forces. Another example is the way energy spreads in the universe, which I call the effect. Particles don't actually move from one place to another. They pass their energy on to the next particle. This process works like ripples in water. When you drop a stone in a pond, the water doesn't move outward in a straight line. Instead, energy is transferred from one molecule to the next, creating waves that spread across the surface. In the same way, the light we see from a star isn't a straight line hitting us. It's energy being passed from one particle to the next until it reaches us. Looking at the universe in this way opens up new possibilities for the future. One of those possibilities is faster than light travel. Right now, we're limited by the speed of light in the 3D world. But if we can figure out how to change the frequency of energy, we may be able to move beyond that limit. Imagine a spaceship where everything inside is vibrating at a frequency that allows it to move faster than light, passing through space at unimaginable speeds. This could be the future of space travel, a way for humanity to explore the farthest reaches of the universe within our lifetime. Pause 2s. As we stand on the brink of these incredible possibilities, it's up to each of us to contribute to this journey. Whether through scientific innovation, creative thought, or simply by expanding our understanding of the universe, every effort counts. Imagine a world where our collective curiosity and determination lead us to new frontiers, where faster-than-light travel becomes a reality, and where the mysteries of the cosmos are within our grasp. Pause 2s. We invite you to be a part of this exciting future. Share your ideas, support scientific endeavors, and never stop questioning. Together, we can turn these visions into reality, and perhaps, one day, We'll look back and say, we were the generation that unlocked the universe. Pause twos. Subscribe to our channel and join us on this incredible journey. The universe is vast, and our potential to explore it is limitless. Let's embark on this adventure together. Pause twos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.